Aliza ke, ake, ke.
Yo, we're back. This is how we do it. Yeah.
Ngiyalamukela lonke ku-SNNN indaba ze-speakndebele.com. Ibizo lami nguNtando. Ngiyathaba kakhulu ukuba lapha. Ilanga namhla ngumvulo mhla ka-23 kaNkwenkwezi.
That's right. Thank you, Ntando. Another very big welcome to SNNN, Speak Ndebele News Network. My name is Dumile, and I'm very pleased to be here with you today. And today is Monday, the 23rd of May, 2011.
Yebo ngiyabonga Dumile. Njalo silethulela indaba ezimnandi eze-speakndebele.com viki ngeviki. Masingene nendabeni zethu zanamhla.
That's right, Ntando. Every single week we will be bringing you wonderful news from right here at speakndebele.com. Don't miss out. Let's get into today's news.
Kulungile, kahle ngilitshele, kulohlelo olutsha oluqalisa namhla. Uhlelo lolu luthiwa mina lomzimba wami. Nxa kungabe ukuthi wangakwazi amabizo ezitho zomzimba wakho, lalela lapha ufunde. Uhlelo lolu lutholakala kuwebsite yethu speakndebele.com kumbe sidingenini ku-YouTube.
That's right. Thank you, Ntando. There is absolutely a very exciting new series beginning today. It is called Me and My Body. So, if it so happens that you do not know what to call the parts of your body in isiNdebele, this is for you. Listen and learn.
Ngiyabonga Dumile, kulenye into esifuna ukulikhumbuza ngayo. Ku-website yethu sokulendawo lapho elingakhuluma lathi manje. Nxa uku-website yethu udinga uncedo kumbe ufuna ukukhuluma lathi, khangela esandleni sakho sokudla uzabona into ethi khuluma manje.
Thank you, Ntando, for that quick reminder. There is definitely a new feature on our website. If you're ever on the site and you need help, or you just want to talk to someone here at speakndebele.com, just look on the right-hand side of your screen right at the bottom and click Chat Now, and someone will be there to help.
Nxa ufuna ukufunda isiNdebele kumbe nxa ungabe ukwazi omunye olesifiso sokufunda, hambanini khathesi ku-speakndebele.com lithenge uSpeak Ndebele 101 Foundations kanye lo Basic. Lingazama mahala ku-website yethu kumbe ku-YouTube channel yethu.
That's right. If you want to learn isiNdebele, or you know of anyone who is interested in learning the language, then go right now to our website at speakndebele.com and buy Speak Ndebele 101 Foundations and Speak Ndebele 101 Basics. And if you want to try it for free, you can try it on our site or on YouTube.
Ngiyabonga Dumile. Ngizagcina ngokuthi sitholakala ku-YouTube njalo la ku-Facebook. Nxa lisidinga ku-YouTube lizasidinga ngebizo elithi Khuluma isiNdebs.
Thank you, Ntando. And as we round off our news bulletin, we'd just like to remind you that we are found on YouTube and you can friend us on Facebook too. If you are looking for us on YouTube, just remember to search under the name Khuluma isiNdebs.
Kulungile, sokumele sivalelise okwamanje. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi lizile lazolalela indaba zethu ze-SNNN. Sizaphinda silibone njalo ngeviki ezayo. Siyabonga, yimi uNtando, salani kuhle.
That's right. It's about that time for us to say goodbye for now. We want to thank you so very much for being here to listen to our news at SNNN. And we'll be back next week with another edition of Speak Ndebele News. From me, Dumile, bye for now.